Assalamu alaikum dear students. So today is the first class and first lab of AutoCAD. The first exercise is about lettering. Okay. So for this you need a A3 size paper. Actually today I don't have a A3 size paper, that's why I am continuing in A4 size paper. The size of this paper is A4. Okay, but from the next exercise we need a big paper which is A3. Okay, so as for now I am continuing in A4 size paper. So the handouts are given to you. I already uploaded in the Blackboard, so you can check it. Open the first exercise where you have the lettering. Okay, so the first question is question number 1A. Neatly copy the examples given here. So the first is you have alphabets from A to Z in 3 mm lettering, yani the space between the two lines is 3 mm. Okay, so take a scale. Okay, so here in this scale, this is millimeter section. Okay, from here to here it is 1 millimeter, 2 millimeter, 3 millimeter, 4, 5, 6, like this it is 10 millimeters. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 millimeter counts is 1. From here to here it is 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeters. So now the gap given here between the two lines is 3 mm. So first what we have to do, take a scale and make sure that your pencil is sharp. Okay, use the sharpener to sharp it if it is not sharp. Okay, and keep a eraser with you. If you have any mistake you can erase it. Okay, so first exercise, you have to draw two lines which are 3 millimeters apart. Okay, so see here I am drawing a line. So you can draw any length of line like 16, 17, no problem, like 15, 10. The length of the line is no problem, but the two lines must be apart by 3 millimeters. Now as you can see I have drawn a line. Okay, the length can be anything, like 12 centimeters, 13 centimeters, it's not a problem. Okay, just draw it. Now what I have to do, I have to draw a second line. I have to draw one more line here which is 3 millimeter away from this line. Yani I have to draw one parallel line which is 3 millimeter apart. Okay, so for that what I am doing, just keep the scale like this. Okay, here the line must be coinciding, this zero line must be coinciding with the line below it. Okay, so these two lines are coinciding now. Now I have to count 3 millimeters. Okay, so count 3 millimeters. 1, see from here to here it is 1, from here to here it is 2. Okay, from here to here it is how much? 3. So at 3 millimeters make a dot. So I have made a dot at 3 millimeters. Similarly, align the zero line with the line you have drawn before and count 3 millimeters. 1, 2, 3. Make a dot at 3. Okay, now you have these two dots. What you have to do, you have to join these two dots in order to get a perfect line. Okay, perfect parallel line. Okay, now draw a line like this. So this is the correct way of doing it, or else the line will be like this. See, if one line, see, first if you have drawn a line like this and the second line like this, it is wrong. Okay, and some people will draw like this, first line and second line. See, here it is more, it is less, here it is less, here it is more. So these two are wrong methods. The correct method is draw two parallel lines like this. This is the correct one. These are parallel lines. Okay, now, so here the gap between these two lines is how much? 3 millimeters. 3 millimeters. Okay, so the gap between these two is 3 millimeters. Now you have to continue with the alphabets given there. You have to draw the alphabets. So now just copy the alphabets given there like this. A, B, C, now D, E, make it a little here, then F. Okay, then G, H, I, J, K, L. Watch carefully. M, many people will do mistake in M. Okay, M will be like this. M, N, O, P, Q, R, yes, should be like this, then T, U, V, W, X, Y, and finally Z. Okay, so the distance between these two lines is how much? 3 millimeters. Okay, so make a line here and make a line here and do the dimensioning. I will explain the dimensioning part later. So as for now, you have to draw like this. These two are 3 mm apart. So similarly, you have to draw two lines which are 4 mm apart and again 6 mm apart, and repeat the same thing. Okay, so here the important points are like these alphabets must touch these two lines. There should not be any gaps between it. Okay, so I will show you the wrong things. So some people will do like this. So this is wrong because it is not touching here. Okay, so and spend some time on each letter. Don't just use your handwriting to do this. Some people will write C like this. So this is wrong. It should be round like this. And also some people will write D like this. It is wrong. It must be round like this. Okay, and I have seen some people writing E like this, or some other methods like this. These two also wrong. E should be like this, 3 parallel lines. F, G. G, the easiest way is like first do like this and write like this. It will be G. This is the easier method. Okay, if you try to draw this first and then it will go a little bit downside like this. So G this way, this is the correct, and this is wrong. Okay, also H you can draw, I, J is also easy. K, people also do mistakes in K, so they will write like this. This is wrong. Why? Because the correct K is like this. Draw like 2 parallel lines. Then after drawing this line, don't immediately start here. Take some gap and draw a line from here. So this is the K. See here. Okay, then L is easy. M. M, some people will draw like this. This is wrong. And N also, N like this. This is wrong. See the M and N. M, N must be like this. Draw 2 lines. Make a dot between them like this. This is the correct one. N also, draw 2 lines and combine them. This is the correct one. M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. S, don't write like this. This is the wrong method. Correct one is like this. Like this. Okay. T is easy. U, V. W, not like this. W, you will not get parallel lines. You will get curved lines. X is easy. Y is also easy. For Y, you will do like first create a small V upside, then make a vertical line. Okay, this is correct. Simply writing like this is not acceptable. Okay, now these 2 lines are 3 mm apart. Okay, what you have to do, draw again 2 lines. Draw 2 lines which are 4 mm and 6 mm apart. So I'm drawing a line. So what you will do again, keep the 0 line here, make sure that it is coinciding with this line, and count 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 4. Make a dot here, and also make a dot here, then combine these two. Carefully combine these two dots, and these two lines will be like lighter. You should not like press. See the difference. It should be not like this. Just press a little force. Don't use much force, okay, to get a thinner line like this. Now again repeat the same thing. Copy A, B, C, D till Z here in this line. This is how much? Here these two lines are 4 mm apart, okay? So like this. Four mm apart. These two lines are 4 mm apart, and continue the same thing. So better to sharp your pencil. Now again repeat the same thing. Okay, so again repeat it for 6 millimeters. So first what you will do, draw two lines. So which are now this time 6 millimeter apart. So first you have to coincide this zero line with the drawn line like this, then 6 at 6 millimeter, 1 2 3 4 5 6, at 6 make a dot. Here also at 6 make a dot, then draw the line, and again repeat from A to Z. I will write only A and Z, remaining you have to complete, okay? A, B, C, D, E, F till Z. Okay, so this time this is how much? I'm not writing here, you have to write A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, so this gap is how much? 6 millimeters. Okay, so this is the first question A. Neatly copy the examples given here. Okay, just you have to copy this, and same like this. I have shown the wrong things here, A, B, C, D. Okay, these are wrong, and some right examples are also given. So now second is what? B. Print your ID number in 3 mm letters on the top of your sheet. Okay, so B must be done here on the top of your sheet, here somewhere here you have to write your ID number. Okay, so that too in 3 mm letterings. So for that, what you will do, so the ID number is quite small, so a small line will be enough. See here, draw any line. And in 3 mm numbers, he is asking print your ID number in 3 mm numbers. Okay, so here you have to count 1, 2, 3. At 3, make a dot. Same like this, you know, here the gap is 3 millimeters. So now again 1, 2, 3. So here just join the two dots, you will get a parallel line. So after getting a parallel line, what you have to write? You have to write the ID number. So the ID number, like, so for the numbers also the examples are given there. So you have to write here your ID number, like 2, 1. Okay, suppose you have 0, 0, 0, 2, 1, 0, 0, 0, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, I just write like this. You have to write your ID number. Okay, student ID number here. Now, so this is the exercise B and question number B. So C, so I will continue C here because B is already here, so this one will be C. Okay, so in C there are two parts. One, print this in 3 mm lettering. 3 mm means, always remember, you have to draw two lines which are 3 millimeters apart, same like this one. Okay, so these two lines are 3 mm apart. So what you have to do here, again you have to draw two lines which are 3 millimeter apart. So first draw a line, then coincide this line with this 0 line and count 3, make a dot. Here also count 1, 2, 3, make a dot. Join the two dots. Okay, now write what is given there. So here he is given 4. So this is quite extra, so you have to remove this. So it must be exactly like that, okay? It must be only till here. 4 to 42 millimeters, okay? Right, like this. Okay, 42 millimeters multiply 78 millimeters. Okay, similarly you have to write the second part, which is drill 6 holes of 5 diameter on a 74 PCD, that is pitch circle diameter. Okay, so this is also 3 mm lettering. So what you will do, draw a line first, then again make the same count. This is 3 mm lettering, okay? Again count 3, make a dot. Here also count 3, 1 2 3, make a dot. Join these two. Make your sheet clear, okay? So if sometimes it goes like this, just erase it, some marks. And you can use tissue paper to clean this part, okay? After drawing some lines here, you will get some dark marks which will be like uneasy, and it will make dirty, the paper dirty, so you have to clean it. See, this is the dirt. Sometimes you have to clean it in order to maintain proper cleanliness. Now write the same thing, drill. So here D R I L L, drill 6, make a space, okay? Give some space and write 6 holes, and again give some space, write H O L E S, then give some space and write 5, then write dia, give some space and write D I A, again give some space, write on, okay? So the length is not enough, so if the length is not enough, you can extend always. So here just extend this line. Okay, after on, again give space, write A 74 7 4 Okay, again give some space, write P C D. Okay, so this is question number C. Next, coming to D. Okay, so here these two are 3 mm. Okay, you have to mention like this. This is 3 millimeter, and this is also 3 millimeters. Now in exercise D, what's there? Print this in 4 mm numbers. Okay, so 4 millimeters means what you have to do, draw two lines which are 4 millimeters apart. Okay, so now see here, draw a line and again coincide this line with 0 line and count 4. 1 2 3 4. At 4 make a dot, and here also 1 2 3 4. At 4 make a dot. So why we are doing this every time? Because in order to get a parallel line, or else you can just draw like this simply, but in that case the distance will be like the lines will be like this. See here, this is wrong and this is also wrong. So in order to draw a perfect line, we are following this. Okay, so these are 4 mm apart. Okay, so now what you have to write here? Write 0 1 2 3 4, the numbers from 0 to 9. Okay, so 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so this is the first exercise in D. In the D it is 1. Now coming back to 2, it is also 4 mm lettering. So now what you can do, again draw two lines which are, see, please maintain the cleanliness. Okay, keep a tissue paper beside you so that you can clean any dirt. Like when you sharpen the pencil, it will make some dirt on the paper. You can clean it every time, or else it will look very bad. You don't need to do this. Okay, just I explained you. So only you have to do the exercise 1 2 3 like this. Okay, now again what I will do, draw one more. In order to draw one more line, you will coincide the 0 line with this and count 4. At 4 make a dot, and also at a distance count 4. 1 2 3 4, make a dot. Join the two dots to get a parallel line. See, the thing I explained, it's repeating here. So you have to keep your surroundings clear, okay, and clean this every time, or else the paper will get dirty. Now here you have to write scale 1:2, okay. So let me write it for you. S C A L E scale 1:2. Okay. Next again you have to write in the third one again 4 millimeters. Draw a line first. Adjust the zero line so that it will coincide with it, and count for 1 2 3 4. Here also 1 2 3 4. Then join the two dots to get a parallel line. Then right here plan the pencil is blunt. So the line is cross, okay. So I'm writing from here. P L A N, plan. Again space E L E V A T I O N. So plan elevation. Next end elevation. Give some space and write E N D. Again elevation, complete this here, okay. Write ELEVATION here, and every time you have to write this. This is how much? Here it is 4. millimeters, and also here 4 millimeters, 4 millimeters. Next is E, okay. In E there are two. The first one is print this in 6 millimeter numbers from 0 to 9, okay. So what you will do, put here, draw a line first. Then here what is the distance? 6 millimeter. So you have to draw two lines which are 6 millimeter apart. So here coincide the zero line with this one and count 6. 0 1. So 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is the 6. Here 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so now join these two dots. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to write from 0 to 9. So write like this: 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so this is how much? 6 millimeters. Okay, the second one, in the second one there are two. Print this in 3 millimeter and 6 millimeter lettering. Okay, so for that what you will do, you have to draw two lines. The there are total 4 lines, and 2 lines 3 millimeter apart, and the next 2 lines will be 6 millimeter apart. Okay, so now first I am doing 3 millimeter. So first draw a line. Okay, then coincide this line with the 0. So this line must be coinciding with this one. Then count how much? 3. 1 2 3. Here also 0 1 2 3. Now join the dots to get a parallel line. Now you got a parallel line. Now what you will write here? Angle bracket A N G L E, angle space B R A C K E T, angle bracket. Okay, and then so this is how many millimeters apart? This is 3 millimeters. Three millimeters apart. Now the last one is print this in 6 mm lettering. Okay, so first draw a line and again coincide this 0 line with this line and count 6. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. Make a dot here, and also 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. Make a dot here. Now join these two lines to get a parallel line to the first line. Sorry. So make this eraser. Okay, make use of this eraser. Don't use this one. This is not quite good. Okay, So these two are six, 6 millimeter apart. Okay, same again, you have to write angle bracket here. So write a N G L E space B R A C K E T. Okay, so this is the first sheet. So we will discuss the second sheet in the second video.